Pause. Okay, got it. Here is why I took the engine apart. That is sand. So I'll give this a good clean and pop it back together. Having a look inside the engine, I should have wondered where that came from. Oh well, I'll find out later. It's got to be a fit on there. In the bottom of the engine is sand. So, the good news, if there is any, is that if I get this thing a little bit closer to you without moving the camera, is that there is virtually no rust, and that's the good news. Now a good clean out here with a cloth and some more diesel There's the old gasket. I'll need a gasket for that. Clean up that mating face with a razor blade. I would say that the old crank seal is completely stuffed because of the rust on the output shaft. So I'll clean up the output shaft. That goes back on there, and there's a recess for it in the crank half. So that's all looking pretty good. I'm really quite happy with that. There's not a great deal I need to do now apart from clean up. Anyway, I'm not going to take too much of your time until this is cleaned and ready to reassemble. But thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and leave me your comments. What I do intend to do next time round is to remove the cylinder head and the pull start, because you may be able to see from there that the pull start broke and they just put a nasty piece of rope in there that's going to rot out and break again. So I'll very probably put a nylon cord on that, but I do want to take off the remainder of the cowl and the recoil start just to see if that needs any more cleaning in there. Well, there we go, we're getting somewhere. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment. And Lee, thanks for the coffee cup. I guess you're just going to have to use your imagination and read this backwards. Thank you all. Bye bye.